So today we're working on a Motorola G7. Battery is pretty swollen, as you guys can see right here. This should be a simple repair. It's just going to be a quick battery replacement. We've already got a new battery in right here, and half the job was already done for us because it's already pried open, as you can see. So I think this should be a quick one. The only thing that I am worried about is this flex cable. There is a flex cable right where I'm pointing at. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but right here. So that's the fingerprint or button. I think that's the fingerprint scanner. So let's throw on some gloves. So let's get started. Now normally with these types of repairs, I'd like to put them on the heating mat and we can go from there. But this one, if I put it on the heating mat, the battery can swell a little bit more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use some alcohol and make the adhesive on the sides a little bit weaker. And we can go ahead and possibly just remove it much easier. And let's just cut the back. Oh, the battery is really swollen actually from here. Don't want to cut any cables, want to make sure everything that I cut from the back is okay. Flip it to that side. From here possibly. Yes. Oh, it's a balloon, it's pregnant. We're gonna end up removing this shield right here, unplug the battery, pry off the battery. Possibly a T5. Yes. Yeah, so these are T5 screws. We're gonna remove the 59 screws that it's being held with. Organize your screws, always. Any hidden screws? Doesn't look like we have any. It's time to probably pry off this. Maybe there is a hidden screw somewhere. Oh, no hidden screw. Comes right off. Put this aside. This is the battery. That's the cable that connects to the battery. So let's unplug that first. I'm going to be adding some alcohol on the edges of the battery. If you don't know, alcohol makes the adhesive holding it down easier to pry off. And since the battery is very swollen already, there's less surface area touching the adhesive. So typically, and it should be a lot easier than when it's not. So usually Motorola's have their cables underneath the battery, so definitely want to be careful and not damage any of the cables. They are pretty flat with the frame. I should probably put on some glasses here, huh? Let's see if I can go from the edges. I do see some adhesive. There it is. Oh, easy. Budger. Done. Quick and easy. Still some adhesive. Let's go ahead and remove the old adhesive. Yeah. Okay, so now that we've removed all the adhesive, it's time to add the new battery and close it up. Always, when you're installing batteries, new batteries, old batteries, always clip them in first. Plug them in and then drop the battery. Okay, battery plugged in, then you drop the battery in place. Make sure the cables are still all plugged in and intact, and we'll just reverse our set. I like doing these repairs, they're very easy. I'll just plug everything in, just screw all these screws back in. Perfect. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and plug this guy in, but before we do so, this adhesive needs to be, it's not sticky enough. So we're gonna add a new strip of adhesive right above, and just so we can make it sticky enough and compress. I have a new strip of adhesive here. This is extremely sticky adhesive. Plug back this cable. And we'll put back the clip. Done. Close it up. And let's test. Phone is on without the charger. Okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, drop us a like, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. We'll see you guys later.